Recording tomorrow I will put, no problem. What happened now? Everybody can see?
Yes, doctor.
Hi Mubarak.
Hi.
Everything okay?
Doctor, one exam day, one day, sir? Hour?
2 hours. Now only you are coming. You didn't see before. I clearly given here 4 to 6.
Okay.
4 to 6 exam. Everybody okay, right? Any student escape from me? Khalid, Suruk, maybe Anup not available. Okay, what can we do? Our second program, write a simple assembly language program. If you write like a steps also okay. Then write like this program, write assembly language program. Everything available in Moodle. All programs are readily available. You can check. Write assembly language program with steps to perform data transfer 07 hexadecimal. How to do this program? For this program, first you need to understand the question. Write assembly language program with steps to perform data transfer 07 hexadecimal to accumulator A. Move immediate A, 07 hexadecimal. First statement. This is the meaning. Here also clearly given. Copy. What is the instruction? What is the instruction? Okay. How to compile, run. So how many steps? Totally 9 steps. Doctor, where is this program? Go to Moodle. Oh, I close the Moodle. No problem. Go to Moodle. Moodle, practical 1, practical 2, everything clearly given. Okay. If you log into the Moodle, it will come. I close the Moodle because more programs are running together. That's why I closed. So it is available. Everything readily available for you. So how to run this program, how to write this program, move immediate. What is the second step? So second step, copy accumulator to C register. Copy accumulator to C register. Move C, comma A. That means accumulator to C. That is the meaning. The first one, destination. A is a source. So second, copy accumulator to D register and L register. Always copy. Only copy this program. So move immediate. What is the next register? The register D and L. So D, comma A, and move immediate L, comma A. Only these instructions. Compile. Any error? No error. If any error, for example, some students forget to put move immediate C, comma A like this, it will give error. So you need to put move C, comma A, then compile. No error. After that, you need to take screenshot after finish this program. Alt print screen. After that, you need to put here. Then make it big, crap, some students, doctor, why need to do? Brain will do. If you are not do, I will do, because I cannot see. If you are teacher, how you can see? You cannot see really. I have to make it big, because the letter is very small. You need to do this tool, crap tool, for make it big. After that, come for run. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, halt. Now all operation is finished. First 7 hexadecimal, then C, copy the value, that is move to C, to D, to L. Finished. Alt print screen. Copy into your program. Double click, crap will be coming. This is not a assembler, it is Microsoft Word. I want to make it, but you need to make in the assembler, then copy the screenshot. I want to know whether you see, you know this assembler working or not working. So you write the program in assembler and result will come like this with the registers. So compulsorily 2 screenshots are needed. If you write like a steps, really appreciable, really good for you. So you see, I write already step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, another steps. How I write? I write for you. Okay, all students should follow the same thing, because when I study 30 years before microprocessor, my teacher teaching like this, you need to write step 1, step 2, because that is algorithm. IT students means algorithm, that is the only thing. Wherever you go, algorithm is needed. 1, 2, 3, anything missing? Yes, step number 4 missing, find the error. That time only we need to practice. All the works you have a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Everything has algorithm. Without algorithm, there is no IT and IS. There is no any business application nowadays. Everywhere go, you have algorithm. Even now, Corona also, they follow the step. This step 1, step 2, algorithm is following. You know, we need algorithm for step 1, step 2, step 3. What is the output? How run? All those things. This is the another program. Who is this? Huawei Y7. Siham? Okay. Yes, students, any doubt or anything? Like these questions will come. So all questions from your Moodle only. Whatever assembler we discussed in the Moodle, the questions will be coming. What is next practical? Practical we have practical 1, practical 2, 3, 4. How many practical we finished? It will come. Just a minute. I have all the practical programs are with me. Program 1, 2, 3. If you want to check your Moodle page, everything available. Assembly language program, Intel assembly language program, step 1, step 2, all the descriptions. So as I told you, these students I will give extra 2 marks. Definitely I will give extra 2 marks. Those who are attending on 8/2/2021. Okay, no problem. So how many students? Abdullah, you didn't come? Anut not coming. Badriya, no. Fatima, 2 mark. Khalid, 2. Khalfan, 2. Mubarak. Mubarak coming or not coming? That class? Yeah, Mubarak.
Coming.
Saruk, okay. Sigam, okay. Okay. Abdullah coming, you know? Yeah, Abdullah coming. Abdullah, okay. Anut not coming. Extra 2 mark. Okay. No, Badriya, you came? Where are you? I am talking about 8. You are coming after I reduce the mark only. You see? No, not coming. Your name not available. In big blue button is perfect. Automatic attendance will be given.
Badriya here.
Where?
Yes.
Where? Where available, Badriya? Where available? Huh? Come to where available? Abdullah Fatim. Dear, you are coming now only past 1 week, 2 weeks only you are coming for class. Okay. You see, Badriya, don't write anything extra. Whatever your friends are writing in Ibra College of Technology. Whatever I am teaching, you have to write in your final exam. First mind it, otherwise I cut your mark. I didn't teach 16-bit instruction in 8085. You are writing in the final exam, in the midterm exam. I don't know.
Victor,
Other teacher, don't teach cheat brain. Okay?
Victor,
Allahu Akbar. I teach my teacher how many times already?
Dr. Brem,
Yes, dear.
you are kind man and we are like children. Give us all.
No,
2
no.
marks.
2 mark, 2. No. Haram. Haram. I am not going for haram operation. I clearly told 8. I say, that's it. I don't want to, you are good, bad, you are white or black, that I don't know. Whoever attend the class, I give, that's it. On the day of 8, because I told already. So I promised. You play with me, I say, I will cut your mark. Same like that, Badriya, she played with me. See, sometime coming, sometime not coming. He write from Ibra College of Technology. Okay. I didn't teach anything. How she can write? Impossible. When Saif will be the teacher, you can cheat Saif, no problem. Yes, students, our next program. This is our one of the next program. So same like that, the questions will be coming for final exam. Everything clearly available. Okay. Here I clearly mention midterm and final exam theory also, the program will be coming. So this is for program 3. Then practical 4. Practical 4. This is a practical 4. Everything together available. Here also same type of questions. You can follow this question, but this question for add accumulator. Add accumulator. Same type question, add accumulator. Then so write assembly language program to store 05 to accumulator and add accumulator 5 times. Add accumulator 5 times. You see, I teach all the program and I am asking only from what I teach to you. Okay. That's why every class I said to you, anything not understand, ask me. Anything not understand, ask me. Okay. Because my students should become very good teacher, very good the person to work in any college or any institution or any software industry, anywhere else. Wherever you go, I understand, I do the program like that. Okay. It is more important. That is for program 4 finished. Then program 5. Practical. So this one, practical 2022. Everything available in the Moodle. Program 5. Program 5, what we teach? Program 5. Program 5, write assembly language program to store 05 to accumulator and add accumulator 5 times. Okay, already we put this program. That also I teach again. Then write Intel assembly language program to add 02 and store the result. Accumulator 02 three times and store the result in accumulator. All programs are available. Only you need to study in your home. If you not understand anything, you can ask me now. No problem. Doctor, how we can do this program? For example, if you take this program, write a Intel assembly language program, 00 to accumulator, 00 to accumulator and store 0 to B register and add B register and add accumulator and B register 5 times. Add accumulator and B register 5 times and store the result in the accumulator. Microprocessor answer 0A. How? Take this program, go to your assembler in online. If you want, you type the program. Otherwise, copy and paste. No problem, because we already finished in our classes. Compile. Any error? No error. Take a screenshot. If I give little bit modification, you have to do little bit modification. Then come here. Step 1. Accumulator 0. Okay. Step 2. B 02. Step 3. C05. Add B. Add B how? A plus B 02 result. Then decrement C. C already what is the value? 5. Now 4. See 4. Jump not 0. Again control will go to add. Now add. Now add how much? Add B. Now accumulator get the value of 4. Now 4. So this is called for loop. Looping. Repeatedly execution. So after repeatedly execution, it will come out halt. Now what is the result? 0A. This is a looping statement. We already discussed on before class 22 to 2021 Monday. So everything given in the program. So the next class will be what is that? Here practical finished, here finished, here okay. Here practical. Practical 8.3. 8.3, what is the important program? Write assembly language program and subtract. So for addition, now subtraction. Subtraction. So subtraction also given, screenshot, everything given. Write assembly language program, subtract B register. Here you can take any one of this program. Write assembly language program for subtraction. Then what is next? Class 5, 10, then practical on 15.3. In the 15.3, what is a practical? Write an assembly language program to store the accumulator, D register, and this is the final exam question. Subtract B and D. Then write an assembly language program for subtraction. Then write an assembly language program for the following equation. So that is, we discussed our practical 15.3. Okay. Then that's it. No problem. In the before practical, what is the last practical? It's a class. This is the last practical. 22.3. 22.3, maybe, I don't know. Write assembly language program, same program. There is no change. Same type of program. Write assembly language program to multiply 4 into 5 like this. If you feel difficult, I am not going to ask this multiplication. No problem. And just review this program. Maybe. Okay. Write assembly language program. Multiply 4 into 5. The last class program. Write assembly language program to multiply 5 into 5. So these are all the review programs for our practical. Practical will be on 5/4/2021, Monday. Five, 4/2021. Yes, students, any problem or anything, you can ask me. Now I am going to update in my Moodle page.
Dr. Ibrahim,
Yes.
only will follow these questions, Doctor?
Yeah, same type of questions.
Ah,
Yeah. Maybe I change A to B, B to A, like that. Review. Maybe one or two. Whatever in front of you, whatever available in the Moodle practical, I take the questions and given. Same type of questions only we discussed already. Okay, you can follow those questions. Not exactly coming, maybe a little bit different.
like in midterm, little bit different.
Yeah. No problem, right?
Inshallah.
You are a very excellent student. You know everything. You are asking, doctor is coming or not coming, like that.
Only to, to make sure, Doctor.
Yeah, sure. Same type of questions. I take from Moodle only, I put it here. Yes, students, anybody wants to speak to me?
Doctor, there is a question in chat box.
Doctor, which program under us? Yes, I given in the review, dear. Review given.
And review file.
Yeah, review file. Students cannot see my screen. Anybody?
This is clear. Clear, Doctor.
Why Suruk asking doctor which and everything available in the Moodle. What is this? You need to take printout in your home. You have to study. I given everything, every practical I am giving. Then today review also available here, practical review. And all the practical programs are available. One.
Inshallah, Doctor.
No, inshallah, available.
Doctor,
My hard work.
Doctor,
Yes.
lecture past, I don't present because I don't network.
Which one?
Lecture past, I don't present because I don't work. I
No
won't work.
problem, no problem. 1 or 2 days, no problem. Who is speaking?
Please help. Please help.
Okay, who is speaking?
يسألك من أنت؟
Badriya.
Yes, Badriya, I know. Because you are not coming for long time, right? I teach from January, February, March. I will help, don't worry. Graham will help, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, any student, any problem? Badriya, problem is you need to write from our Sur Gulia Jamia, what I am teaching. Don't write from anything. You write in midterm, you write some other course, some other answer. I didn't teach that one. But you write, I don't know why. How you write? Have you studied microprocessor before? Teacher will help, but students should come for studying. If you study,
يقول لك من زمان انت ما دخلت. دكتور, she asked about translate. She said I don't understood what he said. Can I translate for it, doctor?
Okay, just a minute.
Okay.
No need to translate.
Okay.
I want to show to this student.
بدرية تشوفك. Yes.
I want to confirm with this Badriya. Badriya, good student. I am not going to say anything wrong. Okay. Now the problem is, Badriya, how you study this one input port, output port? I didn't teach you.
يهارك.
Then how you write LXI?
من هين يقول لك من هين يبتي هنا لا. من هين لا الإجابات.
How do you write STA? What is LXI? Explain to me. What is LXI? What is LXI?
Answer, Doctor. Answer to Moodle.
No, Moodle not available. LXI. माफي موجود.
يقول لك لا من هين يبتيهن الXI من هين يبتيهن. يبين الكلام من هين يبتيهن.
Where available? Check in the Moodle. Not available.
يقول لك احنا ما درسنا هذا. انت من هين يبتيه؟
أنا الإجابات الإجابات مطلعهم من النت.
من الإنترنت.
Okay. Explain to me what is LXI. You tell me. Yes, Saif, tell me what is LXI. Saif, you studied this course. What is LXI? Tell me.
LXI, I don't know, doctor.
Yeah, you don't know. You are following from the beginning. You don't know. Then what I am asking this Badriya, she explained this LXI will give full mark, grade A, no problem. Mafi muskil.
Yes, I asked her already.
Yeah, otherwise she has to teach to us what is LXI, what is STA.
LXI من هي يبتيه؟
really
من هي يبتيه مدري.
I am really happy.
Yep.
What is LXI, what is STA?
الأسئلة اللي عطنيها في الميد كنت تطلع إجاباتها من النت.
No.
يا أختي بدرية يقول لك LXI هذه اللي كاتبتينها أنت من هي يبتيه؟
What is LXI? You see your answer for midterm, you know. What is LXI? Tell me.
شوفيها الشاشة؟
أيوة شوفها.
إنزين يقول لك هذه LXI من هي يبتيه؟ يسألك من هي يبتيه الإجابات؟
ترى بحثت في النت وطلعت لي كتبتها مثل ما
هي. from internet دكتور. She said from internet.
Internet, no program available. Wherever you search it, this program will not come. Okay, forget. I forget everything. Badriya, follow whatever given in the Moodle. Okay, now I forget you, no problem. I forgive you also. Now, whatever in future you are writing, you need to write from whatever teacher is teaching. I don't want from internet. I don't want from another student. I don't want from another teacher. Whatever I teach, because I didn't teach any 16-bit. This is 16-bit data transfer. You don't know that one. Okay? From your heart, exam. That's it. I don't want.
اللي درسناه اليوم راجعي.
No students is writing.
زين ترى هو كان عاطني 18 زين من 25 فكنت انا مثلا كانت عندي ظروف كنت محضر فقال لي حضري وبرجع لك درجتك كنا بس يعني احنا كنا مختلفين على الحضور ما كان يعني موضوع
Okay, stop. No problem. I said okay. Don't blame this one, that one. Okay. I don't know about those things, but only thing I know. Somebody write program for you. not you are writing. You are not attending my classes. After I cut your mark only, you are coming for attending the classes. That's why. Internet failure is doesn't matter. Internet you fail, no problem. What can I do? This is online class. All students
Doctor,
come with internet.
because you know some area like in desert, you know, internet
Yes,
is
I
very
understand.
difficult.
Desert, I understand. Desert, I am not teaching LXI, right? They have to before tell me, doctor, I don't have an internet connection. That's why I
Yes.
cannot come. After you attend midterm exam, then I found this mistake. Then why the student not? After that, she is saying internet connection not good. This is good for you. Everything you have to say before, doctor, this is the problem. I cannot come. You can manage 1 or 2 times. I will come. And okay for me. Okay, forget, finished. This one, now we come for final exam that you need to do good without any whatever available in the Moodle. You can study and write in the final exam. Okay.
يقول لي شد حيلك في امتحان
You
الفاينل.
see, Saif, that
Yes.
student say,
زين قول لي
I
أقول
take
لك
from internet. Wait a minute, I take from internet. How internet will only working when writing midterm exam?
يقول لك انت الحين
بس
تقولي جبت
فهمان
الاجابه من
خليه
الانترنت، كيف
يساعد.
تقولي في الانترنت وانت تقولي عندك مشكله في الانترنت؟ هاو يو سي ذات بدريه؟ كيف
لا،
تقولي ما في انترنت؟
This will be disconnect after 2 minutes. You
أتكلم
want
عن
to
المحاضرة.
argument, you will argue, no problem. Otherwise, Badri, I will make you incomplete. After Corona finish, you come for college and write the final exam. Okay? Finish. Maslama.
Doctor, less than 1 minute. Can we log in again?
Yeah. No, finished everything. I already finished the review. Okay.
سيف
نعم.
Thank you, buddy.
نعم اختي.
ايش الموضوع؟
Thank you.
أتكلم